Hello and welcome to another tutorial video. Today we're going to teach you how to log into your AOL account. First, to do that, open any browser in your desktop or your mobile device. I'm going to choose Chrome and go to web address aol.com. This is the home page of AOL and you can see lots of options in this page. And there is login option in top right corner of the screen or in left side of the screen, so you can click on any of those. Enter a username or email that you use to sign up to AOL and click on next, and in this screen enter your password and click on sign in. You're logged into your AOL account. That's very simple process. It's very easy process. I hope you like this video. Please give us like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.